Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to extend or make certain Arabic letters longer inside Adobe Illustrator. When you type Arabic in Illustrator, sometimes you may want to stretch a word for design or calligraphy style. Illustrator doesn't have the same Shift+J shortcut like Google Translate, but we can still do it easily. First, select the Type tool and click where you want to type your Arabic text. Now, to extend a letter, we need to add a special character Kashida. It can insert directly from the glyphs panel. Just place your cursor after the letter you want to extend. Click on Type and select Glyphs. Double-click on this letter, it will be inserted. If you want more long, just copy then paste it. Use shortcuts Ctrl+C for copy and Ctrl+V for paste. And that's it. Your Arabic letter becomes longer in Illustrator. This way, you can control how your Arabic text looks and create beautiful stretch designs. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.